Here's how you can issue your first invoice on Aster in three simple steps. Start at the new invoice button on the invoice page, and from the invoice workflow, you just have three steps to run through. The first is to choose your customer, or you add a new one. Then you enter the invoice details, starting with the product name or service. You can either choose an existing again or add a new product or service. Then once you've selected the product or service, you want to verify the price, the tax information, and any other information you want to include there in terms of the payment terms. For tax, you can always include your VAT exclusively or inclusively. For this, I'm going to choose the exclusive tax. Then once you do that, the invoice amount, including the VAT, is computed. Then the last step is to review and send. So to get started with that, you click on the Save and Send button. Then that pulls up your a preview for you to look at. So you see the email that's going to go to your client, and you also see what the information your client will be receiving looks like. Once you review this, if it's good to go, you hit the send email button, and your first invoice will be on its way to your client.